This is Justin Paolini from FCI Markets. Welcome to another video on the FCI Netstation. In this video we're going to explore an exciting feature which are complex alerts. To exemplify, let's just dive right in. I have a chart of the euro dollar here. This is a 4-hour chart right now. A very simple setup on it. Let's try and create an alert on this chart. So to do that, I click on the chart and then I just go to Set Complex Alert. So here, the alert page pops up, and it will allow me to create my alert. Now, the first thing I want you to know is that within General Setting, we can insert how we're going to receive this alert. The default is by email, but you can also receive it on your mobile. And that is very useful because your alerts can be received at any time, and they are also stored in the cloud. So even if your computer is off, you will receive the alert when the conditions are met. So going up to the alert, let's define the conditions. And the interesting thing about the Netstation is that you can create very complex alerts using chart patterns, indicators, and price all together. You can generate your own setups with these price alerts. So let's go in. The first condition, as you can see, it's very basic. The default shows you a quote field, which is the bid price, and then you can specify below, above, equal to, but I don't want that. I'm going to change this. And I'm going to go to the CCI. I want my commodity channel index to do something for me. I want it to show a value below -100. So essentially an oversold condition. And how many bars back? Just one. The first bar back. So in the previous bar to the current one that is open, we will need to have registered a -100. For me, I'm going to save that condition, but I'm going to add some other conditions. So now I'm going to look for a pattern, and I'm going to select a bullish engulfing pattern. And first bar back, chart type, open, high, low, close is good. The condition is going to be AND because I want to see the oversold condition and the bullish engulfing. I'm going to add a condition because I want this to happen within the context of an uptrend. So I want the price to be the first operator, and I want it to be above my 55 moving average. So I've created a little setup here. Basically, I'm waiting till price is oversold and it forms a bullish engulfing on the 4-hour chart within the context of an uptrend. And I'm asking the alert to show me those instances when these three conditions are confirmed. Because I'm asking for condition 1 and condition 2 and condition 3. But of course you can create your own conditions. You can create your own setups like this. And you can also save your algorithm. And I'm going to call this CCI dip in an uptrend. So we can always retrieve this algorithm that we just created. We're going to run the alert on each update. We're not going to just run it once. We're going to rearm the frequency every 4 hours. And the expiry date is going to be Friday. And save. And this alert will be on the euro dollar. One thing that you can do is you can also add different instruments to the same alert. So for example, going back into the alert, I'm going to edit my alert, and I could add the instruments too. So within the FCI tradable universe, I can also do the same thing on the cable, for example. I can add the same condition on Aussie dollar and the other majors. If I want to, I can include them all and save. And that condition will now fire off on all of those currencies whenever the conditions apply. And you will receive those conditions in your email and also on your mobile. But let's say you don't want to create your own alert. Let's say you want to just add some pre-existing alerts. Well, the Netstation has them incorporated already. Just go to Settings, into the General Settings, to Alerts, and to Algorithms. Now in here you will see the algorithm we just created, but also you will see network algorithms. These are algorithms that have already been programmed. So you have a bearish engulfing, a bearish harami, bullish engulfing. You have candlestick patterns. You have combinations between bearish engulfings near Bollinger Bands, for example, or bullish engulfings in your Bollinger Bands. Now you can view these combinations and you can set them as your default algorithm, or you can simply check the conditions and copy these algorithms and apply them to your own charts. In this way, you actually have algorithms here that you can copy, apply to your own charts without having to create them yourself. And by viewing these examples, you can learn how to create your own algorithms and thus make your trading a lot simpler, because you are effectively automating the setups that you would need to look for in person. I hope this was useful. The alert function in Netstation really is powerful, and it can save you so much time with your trading. This is Justin Paolini from FCI Markets, over and out.